अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। आज की इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे इटरेशन विद फॉर ईच लूप। वन ऑफ द मोस्ट यूज्ड constructs फॉर iterating through elements of an array is for each. The for each loop construct in C# is as follows. In this programming construct var in the type of the element which we iterate through. The collection is the array or any other collection of element, and item is the current element of the array on each step. In general, the for each loop construct has the same properties for like the for loop. The main difference is that the iteration is made always through all elements from the start to the end. We cannot access the currently index. We are just iterating through the collection in a way defined by the collection itself. For arrays, the order of the iteration is consecutive from the first element to the last one. The loop variable in for each loop is read only, so we cannot modify the current loop item from the loop body. The for each loop statement is used when we do not need to change the element but just to read them. Iteration with for each loop example. In the next example, we will learn how to use the for each loop to iterate through the array. After we declared an array of strings capitals, we iterate through the array using for each loop, and we print the elements to the console. The current element on each step is stored in a variable capital. We get the following result when we execute the code. Multi-dimensional arrays. The one-dimensional arrays are known also as vector in mathematics. Often we need arrays with more than one dimension. For example, we can easily represent the standard chessboard as a two-dimensional arrays with size 8 by 8 cells in a horizontal direction and 8 cells in a vertical directions. What is a multi-dimensional array? What are matrices? Every valid type in C# can be used for a type of an array, so we can have an array of arrays which we will discuss later. We declare a one-dimensional array of integer numbers using int, and we declare a two-dimensional with int. This example shows that those arrays we will call two-dimensional because they have two dimensions. They are also known as matrices. It is mathematical term. In general, arrays with more than one dimension we will call multidimensional. This way we can declare three-dimensional arrays as we add one more dimension. In theory, there is no limit for an array dimensions, but in practice we do not use much arrays with more than two dimensions. Therefore, we will focus on two-dimensional arrays. Multi-dimensional arrays declaration and allocation. We declare multi-dimensional arrays in a way similar to one-dimensional arrays. Each dimension except the first is marked with comma. In the example above, we create two-dimensional and three-dimensional arrays. Each dimension is represented by a comma in the square bracket. We are allocating memory for multi-dimensional arrays by using the keyword new for each dimension we set a length in brackets as shown। अगर गाइस ये आप हमारी वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगे तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना, घंटे के निशान को दबाना ना भूलिए।